When looking at the sunset, I started to think about all that has to happen in my body for me to be able to see this light and process it. First, it enters the pupil where light enters the eye, which is covered by the cornea. The muscles behind the iris contract and stretch the lens so light will focus on the back of the eye, where it comes in contact with the retina. The retina is coated with receptors called rods, which work in dim light, and cones, which work in bright light. This focused light hits the retina in a small section called the fova, which contains the highest concentration of cone receptors.
The rods and cones being struck by light fire, this activates bipolar cells in the retina. Through this, ganglion cells are activated, which form the optic nerve. The optic nerve leads to the optic chiasm, where the optic nerve fibers cross over each other. From here, the information is sent to the thalamus, where it's processed and sent to the visual cortex in the occipital lobe.
Our eyes have many interesting features. One is called feature detectors, which notice things familiar such as shapes. Another factor of seeing is called the blind spot. This is the point where the optic nerve leaves the eye, creating a blind spot. The ability to see color is explained by two theories. The trichromatic theory states that we see red, green, and blue when stimulated in combination creates color. The opponent process theory states that opposing retinal processes enable color vision. This all works together to help see the colors in the sun.